Welcome to the Think IQ. In last class, we have discussed the nature of roots and the condition for common roots. And in this class, we will discuss graphical representation of quadratic equation. So, uh, if a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and so uh, if any quadratic expression like fx is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, if any expression, any polynomial of degree 2, this represent a parabola. Okay, so this is represent a parabola. So similarly this equation will represent like a parabola, and we have two condition. If the leading coefficient is greater than 0 and value of leading coefficient is less than 0, when value of leading coefficient is greater than 0, then this parabola will open upward. Open upward parabola. Open upward. Open upward. If value of leading coefficient is less than 0, this means open downward, and this represent parabola. Okay, so on the basis of discriminant, there will be three graph for open upward and three graph for open downward. If d is greater than 0, it means roots of this quadratic equation, this axis is ax square plus bx plus c. This means the roots will real and distinct. This means this parabola will intersect x-axis in two distinct points. One is alpha and second is beta. Okay, if value of discriminant is equal to 0, this means this is x and this is the ax square plus bx plus c. If the value of discriminant is equal to 0, then this parabola will touch the x-axis at any one point. It means alpha is equal to beta or is equal to minus b by 2a. Similarly, when value of discriminant is less than 0, this means the parabola will not in neither intersect nor touch the x-axis. So this parabola will like like this. So this axis is ax square plus bx plus c. So for open upward parabola, there will be three conditions as we represent in now. So three three graph will be for open downward. This is x-axis, and this axis represent ax square plus bx plus c, and this is o. If a is less than 0, it means parabola will downward. Parabola will like this, and if this represent parabola is intersecting at two different points of x-axis. So this represent d is greater than 0. It means roots will real and unequal. Similarly, if this is x-axis and this is ax square plus bx plus c, and this is origin, if the value of discriminant is equal to 0, this means parabola will touch the x-axis. Parabola will touch the x-axis at any point, or this is alpha is equal to beta. This is x-axis and this is ax square plus bx plus c. If d is less than 0, it means this neither cuts nor intersects the x-axis. So this is the graphical representation of quadratic equation. Now there are, if we can uh, this is the parabola is always negative for x belongs to, this is always negative for x belongs to real number, and this parabola is always greater than 0 for x belongs to real number. So on the basis of this expression we can find any constant involved in equation. So now let's discuss a problem. Question: the integer k for which the inequality x square minus 2 times of 3k minus 1 x plus 8k square minus 7 is greater than 0 is valid for every x in R each, and first option is 1 first option is 2, second option is 3, and third option is 4, and fourth option is 0. Okay, so what is saying this problem? This is the quadratic equation in x, and this is always positive for all x belongs to real number, and the leading coefficient in this equation is 1, and so this means 1 is the greater than 0. So this represent the upward parabola, and upward parabola, this is always greater than is equal to 0 for x belongs to real number. In this case we know that the value of discriminant is less than 0, so we have applied this concept. So value of d is less than is equal to 0, or what is the value of d? This is b square minus 4ac less than 0. What is value of b? So this will becomes minus 2 or 3k minus 1 to whole power 2 minus 4 multiply by a, value of a is 1 and value of c is 8k square minus 7. So this will becomes 4 3k minus 1 to the power 2 minus 4, or this, sorry, less than 0, or this is 8k square minus 7 less than 0. So I have divided by 4 uh, in whole inequality. So this will come 3, this will become 9k square plus 1 minus 6k minus 8k square minus 7 less than 0. This is k square minus 6k plus 8 is less than 0. This will become k square minus 4k minus 2k plus 8 is less than 0. So this k minus 4 and k minus 2 is less than 0. By Vavical, this is 2 and this is 4, and we have so we have to find the integer value between, this represent k will be, k belongs to 2 say 2 to 4, this is negative and this is positive, or this is saying to do negative. So k belongs to 2 to 4, and so we have to select a k is integer. So uh, any integer between 2 and 4, what is the integer value? So this will integer value is k is equal to 3. Second option is correct. So this type problems can can form. So we have to solve this. Now another concept of uh, maximum and minimum value of maximum and minimum value of quadratic expression. Let y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c is a quadratic expression, and so we have to find the maximum and minimum value of this quadratic expression. So suppose I have select for age greater than 0 and age less than 0. When age greater than 0, then this parabola will open upward. So this will become like this. Okay, so this is the value of alpha and this is the value of beta, and this will become the value of, this is symmetric about this, or this value is when we adding, so this will become minus b upon 2a. How we find minus b upon 2a? Alpha plus beta divided by 2. But value, what is the value of alpha plus beta? This is become coefficient of minus times of coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. So this we have find this value for y at minus b upon 2a. So this will become a multiplied by minus b upon 2a plus b, sorry, 2 whole power 2 minus b by 2a plus c. This is a, or this becomes b square upon 4 square plus, sorry, minus times b square upon 2a plus c. This becomes, I have cancelled this a, this becomes uh, minus b square upon 4a plus c. So value of at y minus b upon 2a, this will become is equal to 4ac minus b square upon 4a. This becomes minus d upon 4a. When we are putting value of x is equal to minus b upon 2a, and we are getting value minus d upon 4a. So the minimum value of when age greater than 0, so the range of y belongs to minimum value will minus d upon 4a to infinity. Okay, when age less than 0, so the graph of this quadratic equation will open downward. So this will represent maximum value. This is alpha and this is beta, and this value will alpha plus beta divided by 2, and this will equal to minus b by 2a. For minus b by 2a we will get minus d upon 4a, or we are seeing by graph whole parabola below the minus y is equal to minus d upon 4a. So the maximum value will minus d upon 4a and the minimum value will minus infinite. So range belongs to for y this minus infinity to minus d by 4a when age less than 0, and this is when age greater than 0. So this will be the maximum and minimum value. This will be the range of a quadratic expression. Okay, so now discuss a problem based on this concept. Question: the minimum, the minimum, the minimum value of the sum of the square of the roots of x square plus 3 minus a x plus 1 minus 2a is equal to 0 is we have to find the minimum value of the sum of the square of the roots. Okay, so let roots of solution. So let's roots of this equation is alpha and beta. So what alpha square plus, so we have to find the alpha square plus beta square minimum. Okay, so we can write alpha plus beta, alpha square plus beta square. We can write alpha plus beta to the power 2 minus minus 2 alpha into beta. Okay, so alpha plus beta is minus b upon minus b upon a alpha plus value of the alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. So value of alpha plus beta is equal to minus times of 3 minus a upon 1. What will the value of for square? So square, this will negative will positive. So this will become 3 minus a raised to power 2 minus 2, and this become 1 minus 2a. This is 3, this becomes 9 plus a square minus 6a minus 2 plus 4. So this will become 9 plus a square minus 2a minus 2. This will become a square minus 2a and plus 7. So we have alpha square. This is, suppose this is f of a. So we have to find the value of f of a. What will be the value of minimum value? F of a will minimum when this value of a is equal to minus b upon 2a. What is the value of b minus b? So minus b is equal to b is equal to minus 2, and value of a is equal to 1 if we are comparing. So the put the value of a, this will becomes 1. When we will put the value of f of 1 will be the minimum value. So f of 1 will minimum is equal to, this will become 1 minus 2 plus 7. This it will equal to 6. The minimum value uh, of this alpha square plus beta square will equal to 6. Now next concept, that very important concept is, this is the location of roots. Location of roots. In this concept, there will be a number, and on the basis of this number we have to find the position of roots or location of roots. So there are three cases. First case is case first, when both roots are less than 2 number k. Okay, so in this case, if we are making graph of this quadratic equation, this is x and this is the quadratic equation, quadratic expression ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, this is for a, and second is x, and this is ax square plus bx plus c. This is the for, this is for a greater than, this is for a greater than 0, and for a less than 0 this will become like this. Okay, this is the value of alpha and this is the value of beta. This is the value of alpha and this is the value of beta. So in this case, d will greater than is equal to 0. Okay, because roots are real. D is greater than is equal to 0 because roots are real, and there is a number k, okay, for which value of for which alpha and beta is always less than 2k, and there is also given a number k. Okay, so we have so there will be some condition. So first condition is if we are finding value of f of k, this will become all greater than 0, and value of a is always greater than 0. A into fk is greater than 0. Similarly यहाँ value of fk यहाँ this is a less than 0, and fk is always less than 0. When we are multiplying both inequalities, a into fk will a into fk will always positive. So we are combining both inequalities. So we can write a into fk is greater than 0 for this case when both roots are less than 2 any given number. Okay, and there is some concept like there will be the midpoint, or we can say that's vertex of this parabola. So minus b upon 2a is always less than k. So from this we can make analysis of uh, location of roots, and we can find if there will be any problem in which we have to find the value of any constant, so we can find any constant value. Similarly for case 2, when both root both roots are greater than when both roots are greater than 2 given number. This is x, and this is ax square plus bx plus c, and this is for age greater than 0, and this is ax square plus bx plus c, and this is x-axis, this is origin, and this case is for a less than 0. When age greater than 0, it means parabola will upward, and this is alpha and this is beta. When age less than 0, this means parabola will downward, or this is alpha or this is beta. In this case also we can do d is greater than 0. Okay, so there will be a number k for which uh, alpha and beta will always greater than 0 to the number k. In this case, if we are finding k into fk, sorry, a into fk will also 0. Okay, age is less than 0 and value of fk is always less than 0, and here value of fk will always greater than 0. So a into fk is always greater than 0 in this case also, and k is less than minus b upon 2a. Okay, so we can what is the change in this case? K is less than minus b upon 2a for when both roots are greater than 2 given number, and this is the minus b upon 2 is less than 2 k when k is greater than 2 both roots. Now case third, when any number k is in middle is in is is in between the roots. In this case, this will be graph. Let this is x and this is ax square plus bx plus c, and this is the upward parabola for age greater than 0, and this is x, this is ax square plus bx plus c, this is origin, and this is the downward parabola for a less than 0. This is alpha, this is beta. Similarly, this is alpha roots and this is beta roots, and here is any number k, here is any number k. So if we are finding value of f of k, this is the fk, this is the fk. If we are finding value of f of k, this is less than equal to 0, and value of fk, this is greater than 0, but age less than 0, and here is age greater than 0. So in this case, a into fk is less than 0, okay, or d is always greater than equal to 0. So this is the, so we have to apply a into fk when k is between in the both roots, and we cannot say anything about minus b upon 2a in this case. Now let's discuss problem. If both the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus mx plus 4 is equal to 0 are real and distinct, and they lie in the interval 1 to 5, then m in the interval. First option is minus 5 to minus 4, second option is 3 to 4, third option is 4 to 5, and fourth option is 5 to 6. This is the quadratic. What is the quadratic equation? Quadratic equation is x square minus mx plus 4 is equal to 0. So this is are real and distinct. So we can apply d is greater than 0 because this is given real and distinct. So what is the value of d? B square. B square means m square minus 4. 4 into 4 is greater than 0. From here this becomes m minus 4 into m plus 4 is greater than 0. So from here this becomes minus 4 and this is 4. So from this m belongs to minus infinity to minus 4 union 4 to infinity. Okay. So if we make the graph of this quadratic equation, this is x, this is ax square plus bx plus c. But this is like this is alpha, lie in 1 to 5. So this parabola will like this, and there will be any number 1, sorry, there is any number 5. This is 1 into, sorry, this is alpha and this is beta. So we can apply a this we can apply 1 into, let fx is equal to x square minus mx plus 4 into f of 1 is 1 into f of 1 will greater than 0. So we can apply 1 minus m plus 4 is greater than 0, from where m is less than 5. So from this m should be less than 5. If we are applying similarly here, this will become 25 minus 5m plus 4 is greater than 0. This will become 29 29 29 minus 5m greater than 0. When we are dividing by minus 5, this sign of this inequality will change. This become m minus 29 divided by 5 is less than 0. This become m is less than 29 divided by 5. Okay, so so in so m will our m belongs to 4 to 5. Okay, so third option is correct. So now our quadratic equation is finished, and we have some basic topics like types of quadratic equations and uh, mm, theory of equations and Descartes rules. So we will discuss in next class.